the road not taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And we one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could. Two were it bent in the undergrowth. अब हम लोग सेकंड पैराग्राफ की तरफ चलते हैं. Then other just as fire, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was a grassy and wanted wear. Though, though as for that the passing there, and warn them really about the same. अब दूसरे पैराग्राफ के तीसरे पैराग्राफ तक चलते हैं. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step and trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I dubbed if I should ever come back. हम लोग चौथे पैराग्राफ की तरफ चलते हैं. I shall be telling this with a sing, somewhere against hands. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that was made all the difference. बाय बाय दोस्तों. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन ऑल पे प्रेस कीजिए.